On April 12, 1961, humanity became a spacefaring species when cosmonaut Yuri Gagarin blasted into orbit on a 108-minute flight high above Earth. Gagarin set the original record, first person in space. Today we're going to take a look at some of the most significant milestones in human space exploration, focusing on the individuals who dared to go where no one had gone before. We'll explore their stories, the challenges they faced, and the impact their achievements had on our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it.
Picture this. It's the height of the Cold War, a time of immense tension between the United States and the Soviet Union. Both nations are locked in a fierce competition to demonstrate their technological superiority. And what better way to do that than by conquering space? Enter Yuri Gagarin, a young Soviet pilot with a quiet demeanor and nerves of steel. On April 12, 1961, Gagarin climbed aboard Vostok 1, a spherical capsule atop a powerful rocket, and prepared to make history. Vostok 1 was a technological marvel for its time, but it offered Gagarin very limited control. At 9:07 a.m. Moscow time, the engines ignited, and Vostok 1 roared into the sky, carrying Gagarin with it. During his 108-minute flight, Gagarin became the first human to orbit the Earth, traveling at a speed of over 17,000 miles per hour. He witnessed the curvature of our planet with his own eyes, marveling at its beauty and fragility. His words, "The Earth is blue, how wonderful," were transmitted back to Earth, capturing the awe and wonder of that moment for millions listening in. Gagarin's safe return, landing back on Soviet soil after a harrowing descent, sent shockwaves around the world. He became an instant global icon, a symbol of human ambition and achievement.
The Soviet Union may have struck the first blow in the space race, but the United States was determined to catch up. Just weeks after Gagarin's historic flight, on May 5, 1961, I became the first American in space. My mission aboard the Freedom 7 capsule was much shorter than Gagarin's, lasting only 15 minutes and reaching a peak altitude of just over 100 miles. But it was a crucial step for NASA and the burgeoning US space program. Unlike Vostok 1, which was entirely automated, Freedom 7 gave me some degree of control, allowing me to adjust the capsule's orientation and use its periscope to observe the Earth below. During my brief foray into space, I was able to observe the Earth's curvature, the thin blue line of the atmosphere, and the blackness of space. Although my flight was short-lived, my accomplishment was a major morale booster for the United States, proving that we could compete with the Soviets in the race for space. My journey ignited a sense of national pride and fueled the dreams of countless young Americans who aspired to follow in my footsteps. I wasn't content with just one trip to space. I yearned to go further, to explore the lunar surface like my fellow astronauts Neil Armstrong and Buzz Aldrin. However, in 1963 I was diagnosed with Meniere's disease, an inner ear disorder that causes vertigo and hearing loss. It was a devastating blow, effectively grounding me and seemingly ending my astronaut career. But I refused to give up my dream. I underwent experimental surgery to correct my condition and fought tirelessly to return to flight status. In 1971, after years of grueling training and rehabilitation, I was assigned to command the Apollo 14 mission to the moon. At the age of 47, I became the oldest person to walk on the lunar surface. During our 2 days on the moon, my crewmate Edgar Mitchell and I conducted scientific experiments, collected lunar samples, and even managed to play a round of golf with a makeshift club and ball. My lunar golf swing, captured on camera, became an iconic image of the mission, showcasing the lighter side of space exploration. My achievement on Apollo 14 was a testament not only to my personal courage and determination, but also to the unwavering spirit of human curiosity and the pursuit of knowledge.
From Gagarin's pioneering orbit to Shepard's triumphant return to space and lunar landing, these milestones are just a few examples of the incredible achievements in human space exploration. As we continue to push the boundaries, who knows what records will be set next? One thing is certain. The spirit of exploration, the drive to push beyond the known, will continue to propel us forward, leading to new discoveries, new records, and a deeper understanding of our place in the universe. Keep looking up, keep asking questions, and never stop exploring the wonders that lie beyond our world.